Good morning. Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Hi, I hope you are doing well. Today is day 2 at the Lake District. So already gonna go down for breakfast, and then later on in the morning gonna go hiking. So I'm gonna take you guys along the hike with me today. And then we're gonna see what else we get up to. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you haven't seen it yet, guys, make sure you check out along Windermere and along the Lake District, traveling through the Lake District and the different towns across it. So check out the video if you haven't seen it yet. And also, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. So heading down now for breakfast, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, see ya. I'm about to order breakfast because everything is on order. This is my breakfast. I just wanted to say a quick hi. Finished breakfast. Breakfast was very nice. The service was really lovely. Everything was on order. So if you wanted toast, and then I give it to you. So that was really nice. It was like a semi buffet order style, so it was really nice, and it was a dog friendly hotel, so you can see the dogs about. So if you don't like dogs, I wouldn't recommend, or if you're not a big fan of dogs, but the dogs were well behaved, no issues with them. I think one of the dogs was actually sleeping and then there was snoring, but other than that, all is well. Just getting petrol, then I'm gonna head out. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. If you haven't checked out the Lake District travel tour part 1, make sure that you guys go and check that out. I'm just gonna take you around with me and exploring Windermere town and so forth. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in a bit. Hey, so found parking, so currently walking now to the mountains. It's about a 2-hour and 10-minute hike up the mountain, so come along with me. Let me know if you've ever been hiking before. It's quite challenging but yet rewarding, so I can't wait to get to the top so I can see the views and how beautiful everything looks. But this is the beginning of the hikes. See you in a bit, okay guys? Also subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you guys in a bit. Let's hike up the mountain. Hey, made it to what is this? Dodd Summit. Got the views of the mountain at the back. You guys can see all across. Guys, I made it to Dodd Hill. Yeah, made it to Dodd Hill. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, made it. Ooh. The views are insane. Ooh. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm actually I'm actually scared of heights. I hope you guys are good. Hey, just made their pit stop, just sitting down on a piece of wood, really, just sitting down. The sun has come out to shine. I'm so happy, so I'm just having a quick drink now. I've had to put my jumper on because as we're descending, because we went up and then we started to descend down, it got a bit kind of chilly because the body temperature dropped, so I got a bit cold. But now the sun is out, so hopefully it should be a nice hike down back to the car. And then yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog and you've enjoyed hiking. If you hike, let me know. If you're new to hiking, you've never done it before, I would definitely recommend hiking. It's something fun to do, something kind of like to get you active, to get you achieving your goals, and just seeing how beautiful like the country is, regardless of where you live. I'm sure there's hiking spots, you know, all over. So it's for you to kind of like enjoy the country, you know, enjoy like the scenery. So definitely nice time away from the city, the hustle and bustle, pollution, to be one with nature is definitely beautiful. Because sometimes we get stuck down with our jobs, what we do, and we forget to kind of appreciate life and how beautiful nature can be. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Let me know, check out part 1 of my Lake District trip. And yeah, just wanted to say hi. But catch up later. Bye.